everyone, on this video I will show you how to replace a broken zipper on hoodies. It will be super fast. First I need to know what zipper I would like to replace and how to figure out that information. So on the back on the slider you can see the number. It came out 5, 3 and 1 I believe. So I have 5, so I found the same size head, it's 5, but the teeth are thicker and it's a little bigger. You can find plastic or metal, so it's okay, I'm gonna use this one. Now I have to remove the old broken zipper from the hoodies. To do that I will use a rip opener, and actually it will take forever to peel one thread by one, so instead I will use the blader. It will be easier to remove the old threads from the zipper. Be very careful not to cut your fingers, and of course the main fabric, which is more important. And I accidentally cut the piping, but it's okay, I'm not gonna put it back, that piping. I think it creates extra thickness on the hoodies, so I will leave it on the side and I'll show you how to do it easy way.
Seeing eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me. In this desert I can look at you with love, seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay and I will grow the hanging gardens of Babylon. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, wrong, wrong.
After you remove the zipper, make sure you clean all threads that stick inside, and we need to make sure that it's nice and clean. And you can use a stick roller, which came very helpful. How to find out what length should I buy the zipper? So of course you have to measure the old zipper. So when I measured, it came out 25 inches. For some reason I could not find it. So the easiest way is to go with a smaller size zipper. So basically I found 24, it's good and the best option. Never buy a longer, because then you have to remove and cut those teeth. It's sometimes complicated, especially on plastic. Now it's time to pin a new zipper to hoodies. So I put it like that and I turn it, and I'm going to pin it this way, right to the right. Means right side of the hoodies and to right side of the zipper. Pinning right side, I'm going to close the zipper all the way up, and I'm going to do the left side, and to do that I have to turn inside out. At this point you have to be careful and try to connect the lines, like a pocket line, the top stitching that I have here, so I make sure that they're all similar and the same level. And that's it, the main part is done. So now I'm gonna finish with the left side and stitching time. So you have options on this tab. Basically you can pin it right side, you can put a stitch and pin it the left side, but I'm too lazy. I would like to do it, pin it first and the stitching second, and I will be done. It's up to you which way it's easy for you, but you can do it both ways. And another trick is better to pin it on the side of the zipper and sew it where the zipper on the zipper side. It will be more comfortable, so it won't stretch the main fabric. I'm gonna use different foot and it will be thinner. It will be much easier for me to sew it. So it's going to be stitched very close to the teeth. So just like that. So 2 straight easy stitches on the right, on the left side, and we almost done. And the last step is to do the top stitch. So before doing that, I'm going to show you something. So you can see that extra fabric, the seam allowance that's sticking out after zipper. So I'm going to cut that a little bit so it won't show when I finish a top stitch. So this way, when I cut extra fabric and I put a top stitch, it will look very nice and neat. So in this way, it wouldn't look very thick as original design, and I wouldn't have to put that piping back. So cool and super easy and fast. So just like that, when you put it top stitch, you wouldn't see from inside any extra fabric, any extra seam allowance. It's nice and clean.
Inside of me, in this desert I can look at you with love, seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay and I will grow there.
The zipper it's all installed. I hope it was very helpful for you, and please leave a comment below if you have any questions, and see you next video. Bye.
Fix it, love.